How to deactivate your Facebook account on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on Android. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. Alright, so the first thing we need to do to deactivate our Facebook account is to simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then, select the menu button in the bottom right corner of the app. Once the menu opens, select the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Inside the Settings, the first section will be labeled Account Center. Go ahead and select See More in Account Center at the bottom. Once you open up the Account Center, scroll down and under Account Settings, select Personal Details. Then, in Personal Details, select the last option, Account Ownership and Control. Now that we're in here, all we need to do is select the last option, Deactivation or Deletion. Next, select the Facebook profile that you want to deactivate. Here, you have two options. You can either deactivate your Facebook account, which is temporary, or you can permanently delete your Facebook account by selecting Delete Account. To temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, make sure Deactivate Account is selected. Then, scroll down to the bottom and select Continue. Keep in mind that if you are the owner or the only admin of any Facebook pages, those pages will also be deactivated. Go ahead and select Continue. Once you enter your password, select Continue, and your Facebook account will be deactivated. Alright, so that's how you deactivate a Facebook account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.